everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have a new camera. I'm sure from the title you already know what this video is all about. We have a new camera. This is my second DJI product and I'm super excited about it. Camera from my husband as my wedding anniversary gift, or as our wedding anniversary gift, and I'm so happy about it. I have prayed for this camera. I love the camera. Like, see, don't let me say too much about this camera. It's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo, like emphasis on the creator combo, which means it has everything. So this is my wedding anniversary gift for my husband, and I'll love to unbox it with you guys. So this is it. So let's get down to the unboxing. I'm so happy. Ooh. Okay, finally. Huh. Ooh. This is happening. Oh, good. Ta-da! Okay. Yeah. So when you open it, this is how it's being packed. I love, see, one thing I love about DJI is their packaging. They know how to pack a lot of things inside small pack. So we have this. We have instruction books. I will definitely not read this, but this is it. Then we also have these two.
You not read that one.
I will not read everything. Ah, I will not read it. Then we have this also. How many books they want me to read? But anyway, we have this too, and this is the pack. So there's nothing in the pack again. So I'll just set it aside. So let's start from here. What do we have here? Okay, so that's it. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so we have the packet 3 cover. So this is the protective cover. This is what it looks like. Okay, then let's move to the main. Whew. Oh god, this packaging, they want to use packaging to finish me. And how do we keep up with all these technology, this thing that's just coming out every day? See, this is so nice. You're just going out, like, just carry your box, put all your camera there, you know, enter the party. They will not know that you have camera. Come along, tin. But anyway, let's go back to our unboxing. So this is the bag. The bag is so cute. Oh my god. Okay. So we have our microphone here. So this is the microphone. The creator combo comes with microphone. So this is it. So cute. Hey, I will not use this mic again. Now I have correct DJI mic. Ooh. Okay. Then we have this. Let's check. What's this? Okay, so we have this extra battery. Okay, so we have battery. Okay. What else do we have? So we have this also. This.
That's the first battery.
Okay, so this is like the mounting stuff. So I'll put the name on the screen. So this should be like a stand. Tripod stand. Okay, so this is the tripod stand, and you just pump. Okay. See, guys, I'm very happy. You will not understand, but then we have this cable. Then we have this also is for the mic. So I think you just wear it so that, for example, if you are recording outside or something and you don't want wind, so you just so like wind filter. So just chuck it inside and that is it. Hey, you guys are not ready for content. Now go see content. Oh my god. The main. Okay, no, before we go to the main, we have another thing here. Okay, we have a small lens here. So if you want to record like a wide range of this thing, just attach this wide angle. You attach it to your camera. Oh, and you'll be able to record a wide angle. Then, oh my goodness, are you ready? And we have the camera. Oh my god! Like DJI, they know how to do all this, all this portable gadget. Like this is so nice. Welcome home, baby. Okay, and that is all we have inside the bag. So I'm just going to turn it on. So I think this should be the power button, right? So let's see. Yes. Woo! Did you see that? Then let's remove this from the screen. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to select English. So I'll select English. Okay, so this is it. So you have to connect it to the app and all that. So I'm going to do that behind the camera. Then I'll show you what the quality of the camera looks like. So I use this camera to record my introduction video, and the quality is so nice. Like this camera is portable and but it's giving a very good quality. Like I love it. Then when we went out, I used it for vlogging, and I've used this camera for a lot of things. Like I've even used it for cooking videos. Like it's so nice. If you have watched this video to this point and you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe now. Thank you so much for all the love that you have showed us on this YouTube channel. We do not take it for granted. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Baby. Oh my goodness.